Okay, it's a gorgeous day out, but it's pretty chilly. I decided that I did not want to sit in my office today. After playing around with my cameras yesterday, I got them all set up for different functions. Like the G9 is going to be my cinematic camera setup. A7 III is set up for stills, and I'm recording my GoPro Hero 8 for, I don't want to say B-roll, but today it's for like behind the scenes and things like that, where I'm showing myself filming with this. I don't know, I come back here every once in a while because it's just damn beautiful. I used to live right next to this, so I used to walk back here a lot, but I try to get here, I don't know, every couple of months, because again, it's gorgeous. Check this out. Sorry to disrupt their day, but that was just too cool not to try to film. That was today's little foray out into the woods here at the Brock Environmental Center, where nature abounds. So thanks for coming along and watching me do some stuff, and I hope you enjoyed it. I plan on doing this a lot more. Seriously, I know I say this all the time, but I actually do plan on filming on a regular basis, which I do anyways, but I'm going to actually edit and post videos more often. So hope you come along for the ride. I promise there'll be a lot more stuff coming on, especially a lot more about, you know, doing this when you are disabled and you have physical, mental challenges to doing what you love to do. For me, it's this. So again, thanks for coming along, and come back and check out some more stuff. And remember, and I've got my hands full, but forward and up.